guys, my name is Mike and welcome back to AHC Garage, a channel that's built for today's Acuras, Hondas, and all the classics. On the last episode, you saw us went ahead to refinish the Brembo caliper and got them into this beautiful black finish, and also we finished both rear calipers and rotors in this beautiful silver finish, and the result is just amazing. And the best thing out of all is that you can do everything in your garage and everything costs less than $30. On today's episode, we'll be working on the OEM wheels. As you can see right over here, the OEM wheels is a few shades darker than the center cap, and that really bothered us. So what we're gonna do on this episode is we're gonna get the wheels off the car, get the tire off the rims, then we're gonna send the wheels to Brian so he can paint match them.
Thanks, Mike. So now we got the wheels in the body shop. In just a few moments, we're gonna go ahead and get them all cleaned up with the greaser. The inside barrels are sprayed with a black from when they were previously painted. So we're gonna go ahead and wash that all up, and then the outside as well. So we'll get started there, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how we sand them down. Okay, so here are the wheels. Now the wheels have just previously been painted, so they actually look really good. And all we're really gonna do is take a maroon scuff pad. It's equivalent to around 400 to 500 grit. And we're just gonna scuff them, and then we're good to put paint right over this finish since they really don't need any sort of body work. All right, so we got the wheels all in the booth. They're all cleaned off and ready to go. We're ready to get these wheels back to the correct color. Now let's talk about that color. Now that color comes in a couple different variations, and we know it to be a little bit lighter and one variation to be a slight bit darker. Now that color has no color code, nothing for me to look up into the system and to make a mixture out of it. But being an Acura technician and enthusiast, I wanted to make sure I got it as close as possible. So the good thing is we had an extra wheel. A specific wheel right here was bent and damaged, so we're able to use it as our test. Now we used a whole bunch of different colors to make our color. I essentially searched for hours and hours and hours through many of these decks, and I landed on a color that I really, really like that's very close. So let's go ahead, let's spray some paint and see how they look.
wheel just came back from the body shop and Brian did a great job on it. As you can see right behind me, we actually got a new set of tires for it. Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires. The old tires that we have, they're all dry rotted and noisy, so it's a perfect time for us to mount a set of good tires on it. Let's get John, go ahead and get those mounted. Wow, Brian, the wheel came out really good.
Yeah, I'm really happy with the color. I realized that you'll never be able to get 100% perfect color from the factory, but if you do your homework, you get a very, very close error correct color. Super happy with it.
And so what are we doing on the next episode? I know we got
a lot bit of an issue. We have a redo. Can't tell you guys what it is. Something that we should have done differently from the beginning. We cheaped out, or I cheaped out, and now I'm paying a price because it's a big project we have to redo.
And it's not something that we do perfectly every single time. We do screw up and we gotta redo it.
Yep, and that's how we learn.
Exactly.
So, yep.
Hey, don't forget to visit our website, www.AcuraHondaClassic.com, to pick up your favorite apparel and merchandise. As always,
guys, thanks for helping us rebuild our community, and we'll see you guys
on the next one.
See you guys.